We're the Northwestern Concrete Canoe team for 2013-2014. The goal of our group is to create a canoe completely out of concrete.
This process begins with the design and construction of our formwork, which this year was made out of styrofoam blocks that were cut using a hot wire cutter to uniquely designed profiles that were put together to form the formwork. The next step in the process was mix design, where we engineered a special mix that was less dense than water.
We then used this mix to create concrete slabs in which solved our problem of uniform thickness. We then laid these slabs into our form. This is a picture of our completed canoe in its form.
After curing, we took our canoe out to Skokie Channel to practice a swamp test, where we filled our canoe with water to make sure it still floated. Then we began to practice paddling. This was important because at conference, there were a lot of different types of races, from co-ed to sprints to endurance, so we needed to look good.
We then took our canoe back to campus, where we sanded, stained, and painted letters onto it. We also made a cross-section to show the different layers of our concrete mix. And here's our picture of our finished product sitting proudly on its display stand, ready to go for Conference 2013.
Conference this year was at Trine, Indiana. We competed against 16 other concrete canoe teams. Here our concrete canoe stands proudly on the Trine beach. Sadly, the bad weather did not allow us to race, but worry not, our team was still judged in 3 other categories. Display, where we had to show our process and talk a little bit about our aggregates and reinforcements. Then came presentation. Look at our all-star team of presenters. Here they answered questions from judges about our process and about our canoe. Finally, we also had to talk about our design report. Here, our canoe stands proudly on the beach with the rest of our team.
Concrete Canoe is about much more than just work, though. It's an important part of the civil engineering community at Northwestern. We do crazy things like paddle in chairs in our lounge, pretend to paddle our canoe in the moat, do push-ups at conference to get good muscles, take cute pictures together, and sleep on the floor. Sometimes it gets weird, but we still love it anyway.
Can't you tell that Meg's excited to take charge next year?
And Derek's ready for the bucket loads of fun just waiting to come.
At conference this year, we also saw lots of exciting technology from our competitors, the pictures of some of which are on display here. We are excited to try out these new techniques next year.
They better watch out, because we're coming.